read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Okay, our today's lesson is about numbers 36 to 40. Count and write the given numbers. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 36. How many tens are there? 10, 10, 10. 3 tens make 30. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 36. The next number is 37. How many tens are there and how many ones are there in 37? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 tens. 10 and 10, 20. 20 and 10, 30. Now count with me how many ones are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. 37. Next number is 38. How many tens are there? Look over here. 3 tens. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. 3 tens, 8 ones, 38. Next number is 39. How many tens are there in this number? And how many ones are there in this number? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. 10 and 10 make 20. 20 and 10 make 30. Now count the ones with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 ones. 30 and 9. 39. 30 and 9. 39. Next number is 40. 4 tens make 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.